He's so cute.
Good morning.
Oh, look who's talking.
Oh, he's awake. He's alive.
It feels good this morning. We just went to Cabanas and got just a little quick light breakfast. And now we're gonna make our way out to do whatever that is. And maybe do a little shuffleboard. I'm gonna whip his tail in a shuffleboard.
Wait. Get it.
We just docked at the Grand Caymans, and we're gonna stay on board and take advantage of low crowds on the ship today, and just
Play and have fun.
Maybe go around, take some pictures. Ship explore.
Yeah, it's a pretty day today.
There's several spots of the ship that we haven't even went to yet, so that's what we plan on doing. Ashley, look who came out to see us.
Stitch! Yay!
Let's go say hello.
He's so cute. Yeah, good morning.
How are we all doing today?
We're good.
Good, good, so good. Do you guys have any plans for today for Thanksgiving?
Okay, look, I'm gonna go call her. Okay, I'll go call her.
Well, we have to add Stitch to the party as well, too, I think. You'll get our call as well?
Stitch is hilarious.
We talked about Lilo and Elvis.
So precious.
He got down on the floor.
He's adorable. He threw a fit.
And then he did some pose, and Gavin tried to do it too. And
He's very limber.
I'm glad they didn't ask me to do it. We are about to throw down. Me and Gavin is going to do a shuffleboard match. He's the red team. I'm the black team. I don't know the rules, so I'm going to make them up as I go, so I win.
So you win.
Let's do it.
That's my number one. Yeah.
She's always saying Donald's number 2.
Never. Donald is my number one.
Donald, you're her favorite out of everybody in the world.
Everybody.
The one day she doesn't have her Donald shirt
I
on.
know. I should have worn it today. I like Minnie though. Right.
Definitely.
Of course. Yes. Yes. I
Pinky promise.
I
Pinky promise. But we're coming to do trivia, and we're doing Disney trivia.
Fun.
I thought of the
Seems
Universal
appropriate.
trivia,
Right.
but it starts at what, 1 o'clock, and what time is it?
1 and it's 12:45.
Yeah, about 13 minutes. So we're gonna have fun. Where are we
I
at?
stopped. Oh, we're at
O'Gill's?
O'Gill's.
Oh
O'Gill's Pub.
yeah, you
I
stopped
stopped
at.
for some gelato at Sweet on You.
Mm.
Butter pecan. Ooh. So yummy.
Well, we did our trivia, and
We did not win.
no, but actually, yeah, it was a 3-way tie for first place with 15 answers correct. We had 14, so we were really close. But we went to the Vista Cafe. Is that what it's called? Vista Cafe? Excuse me.
Chino.
And it was absolutely delicious. And now we're down here in the lobby atrium, just
Soaking it in. There's no one around or very little.
just
So pretty.
sitting down and just. God, I missed it.
It's beautiful.
So nice to be back. So nice to be back. And I think we might go up and get some lunch. Maybe
Yeah.
go back to the room.
Late
Set.
lunch and take a nap and get ready for tonight.
Yeah, we just bums.
Hey, that's what cruising's for.
They make you relax, and we got on the ship intending to do so much, but it makes you relax.
That's right. That's right. That's what we need.
Well, for lunch today, I have the turkey sandwich, and then I also have a chicken patini. Did I say that right?
Panini.
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 And Ashley had a special made panini that is, ham?
Turkey and cheese.
Turkey and cheese.
I'm waiting on it. He's making it especially for me.
He said he's going to make it extra special for her.
That's right.
And I might be done by the time it gets made.
Hey, that's okay.
But so far, everything's been delicious. And Ashley wants to go back and rest. I'm not sure what I want to do yet.
Yeah. I'm thinking I want a little bit of shut-eye.
I'm thinking about Aqueduct with her.
We'll see.
Probably not going to happen. Are you ready for some fun?
Aye.
It's Pirate Nights,
Yeah.
Pirate Fireworks, Pirate Buffet, Pirate Time. Well, dinner starts in about 5 minutes, but we found our friend Damien here who's going to take our picture real quick with the pirate background.
Have to take pictures.
Yeah, at least get one, right?
Right.
And you're going to do your cloak. Arr. We had dinner, and it was delicious. We had great conversations, so we didn't video anything. But we went up through Concierge, and we're going to the Concierge to watch the fireworks for Pirate Nights. Oh, there's Ashley right here.
Right here.
The one, the only, the legend. Oh, we got fog. Now we can see. Now he's right there. The man, the myth, the legend. Signing off after the most relaxing day we've had in years.
Wonderful.
We have just can't put words into the relaxation that we experienced today.
Nope. It's great.
Yep,
Much
unbelievable. And then good food. We skipped Pirates Buffet, and then we had a little dance party. So
It's fun.
everything is wonderful.
Everything is wonderful.
In its own way. You done?
Yep.
Go ahead.
I don't know, rest.
I don't even think that was right.
It wasn't. I think it's supposed to be everything's beautiful. Everything is beautiful.
Tomorrow we'll see you.
Real soon.